Welcome to Sonia's English Corner. Today we are going to learn about the present perfect continuous tense with easy examples and fun quiz. Present perfect continuous tense. We use these tense to show an action that started in the past and is still continuing. Example: I have been studying English for 2 months. Now quiz time. Well done. You have just learned how to use the present perfect continuous tense. Practice more and become fluent. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sonia's English Corner. For more fun and grammar videos, see you next time.